What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the I Teach Dirt Stuff YouTube channel. My name is Reese. I'm a heavy equipment operator trainer for SWS Training and Consulting, and in today's video we have another class recap for you. So our heavy equipment operator course is a 5-week program. You spend 1 week in the classroom with me, and then we go into the field, which is an active gravel pit. We get to actually take up to 7 different pieces of equipment out into the field, into an active construction site, and then the students get to learn from there. So you're going to see that some of these students, they came to us with absolutely no experience with heavy equipment. Some of them didn't even know how to operate a garden tractor. So they went from, some of them didn't even have a license. They can't even drive a regular vehicle. So they went from having absolutely no experience with any type of vehicle, never mind, to driving 30-ton rock trucks, hauling a full load, dumping a load, traveling over uneven surfaces, and bouncing around on that truck like crazy. Our students make a massive amount of progress through the 5 weeks that they're with us, and hopefully this video will showcase some of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when we put out brand new content. I'm going to start doing some more educational content, talking a little bit more about pre-check and safe starts and that type of stuff. So be on the lookout for those. And with all that being said, let's check out the video.